Hello kids. Today we're going to draw a dancing bunny. Let's get our drawing paper ready and follow along with me. First, grab a black marker. In the middle of your paper, draw an oval shape horizontally. This will be our bunny's head. Next, let's draw 2 round eyes for our bunny. Add the nose and mouth. Don't forget to fill in the pupils to make the eyes look more lively. To make the eyes prettier, we can add long eyelashes. Since our bunny loves to dance, we can imagine it as a bunny princess. Let's draw the bunny's long ears next. Because our bunny is dancing, let's make the ears look like they're flowing in the wind. Do the same for the body. Our bunny is wearing a beautiful dress that's also flowing in the wind, in the same direction as the ears. After finishing the dress, let's draw the bunny's dancing arms and its pointed toes. Wow, such a beautiful dancing bunny. Draw sleeves on the bunny's arms to make the dress look more elegant. Do the same for the legs, adding some patterns to show the bunny is wearing pretty leggings. After we're done with the bunny, let's draw the background for our story. Kids, you can imagine the bunny dancing in any place you like. It could be in a park covered with fallen leaves, with a cool autumn breeze. Leaves are gently falling, and the bunny is happily dancing among them. You can draw the background scene as you imagine it. You can also follow me to draw the leaves. The shape of the leaves looks like small grass or a little flame on a candle. When drawing, start with 3 pointy edges, then connect them with curved lines to finish the leaf. Next, it's time to color our drawing. Let's take a pink marker to color the inside of the bunny's ears. Then use the same pink marker to color the bunny's rosy cheeks. For the nose and mouth, use a darker pink marker. Now, take a green marker to color the bunny's dress. Kids, you can choose any color you like for the bunny's dress. For the leaves, let's use a yellow marker. You can also choose different colors to make the leaves more vibrant and the drawing more colorful. I used pink, light green, and orange for the other leaves. Finally, use a green marker to color the grass at the bottom of the drawing. Now, our cute bunny is dancing in a beautiful autumn park with fallen leaves. After coloring the grass, our drawing is complete. Let's take a look at our masterpiece together. Did you all learn how to draw it?